The secret is simple. Shift the I to AU. Rewire your mind to shift from these empowering, these stressful identities that are in your head, and mostly you are unconscious right now, into an empowering you for growth and resilience. And in neuroscience, practicing gratitude shifts our brain activity again from the amygdala, the stress center, to the prefrontal cortex, the executive center, harnessing the alpha beta brainwaves, parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system, balancing with a grateful heart for a balanced performance and healing or recovery, like what pro athletes do, like performance, then rest and digest. But how about you? Well, no one knows until I had a breakdown, but you don't have to wait for a breakdown for a challenges.